Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to save WAV files in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this page right here where you can see all the instruments you can access. You can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with saving WAV files. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go ahead and open up my audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this recording menu where we can get started. Opening up the edit menu where here in the upper left corner, click on this button to open up the mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have. And guys, you can see I have my tracks right here. Now I'm ready to save my song as a WAV file, and all I have to do is go right here into the upper left corner and click on this arrow pointing downwards. In this arrow is going to appear a menu that says my songs. Click on my songs. It's now going to open up the GarageBand recents right here where you can see all your projects that you have and you want to find the project that you want to save. So I have my project right here, and all I have to do is just go ahead and long hold on it. So go ahead and long hold it, and after opening it up, it's going to open up this menu, and one of the options is called share. So once you open up share, it's going to open up this new menu. And guys, as you can see in this new menu, we have an option that says song. So you want to click on song, and this is now going to enable you to save your project as a WAV file in a songs format. So as you can see, you can select your quality right here, and after that click share and save it to your iPhone. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.